Hello everyone, this is Crystal with Slick Trade, and in this presentation I'm going to go over how to load the Follow the Trend strategy on TOS or ThinkorSwim. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, Studies, and remove all studies, okay? Because I have some other indicators up on this chart that I really don't need right now, okay? So my chart is all clear. I personally like to use this strategy on the hourly, the 4-hour, or the daily chart. Okay, so let's just go ahead and go with hourly for now. I'm going to right click, go to Studies, Edit Studies. Okay, and in this search, I'm going to start typing in moving. And right here, we have move, average, exponential. So it's moving average, exponential. Okay, I'm going to double click that, add it to the chart. Okay, and we need 3. Okay, we need the 12, the 26, and the 200 for this strategy. So I'm going to add it 3 times. I'm going to go over here, I'm going to double click it. Okay, the length, I'm going to put in 12. Okay, and we'll go ahead and just leave that as the color, the turquoise. Make the width a little bit bigger. I like to be able to see it a little better. So there's the 12. Double click the next one. I'm going to put in 26. I'm going to grab a different color. Let's go ahead and do the, let's see, the other one was the turquoise. So yeah, let's do gold. So I went the 2. Okay. Choose OK. And then we need our 200. So double click that last one. 200. Alright. Then let's go ahead and do, well, let's do this purpley color. I like pretty colors on my chart. Some people make fun of me for it, and I really don't care. It must be visually aesthetic to please me. So, there you go. You got it. 12, 26, and 200. Okay. I am going to apply it. Yeah, it looks pretty good out there. I'm going to choose OK. Alright. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so I can show you a couple things. Okay, so we have here the overall trend is down. This is the 200. Okay, what you're looking for is the 12 and 26 to cross. Now, if you have MetaTrader 4, I suggest you download that template because it will alert you whenever the 12 and 26 do cross, or whichever time frame moving averages you decide to put in there. Okay, but if you're only a ThinkorSwim person, then what you're looking for is this cross to occur. Okay, and excuse me, we have one example right here. Okay, they crossed right here. So what you'd do is you'd enter a sell position. Okay, you'd set your stop above the previous swing high or swing low, or the previous major support or resistance level. Okay. And in this scenario, what I would do is I would set it slightly above here, okay? Just so you have a little bit of room in case if there's a spike, okay? But normally what happens is price will come up to or slightly below the 200 moving average. And when it's in an actual trend, as you can see here, there's multiple entries. You could have sold here. You could have sold again here. They kind of crossed here, but not really. Okay. But there's multiple opportunities here for sell positions. But what you're looking for is that cross to occur. Now, when you're in a downtrend, you're only going to take a cross to the downside. Okay. You would not have taken this cross to the upside because you're below the 200 moving average and you're going against the overall trend. Okay, You can definitely scalp with this strategy. You know, you can go against it and scalp, but just remember, sticking with that overall trend is going to minimize your risk and increase your profit. Now what you're going to do is when a trade sets up, you're going to enter, you're going to set your stop loss above previous, above or below previous swing high or swing low, and you're going to set a take profit of 25 pips, but trail stop it, okay? So once it gets close to that 25 pips, move your take profit down a bit, move your stop loss down, okay? And continue to maximize your profit, okay? By moving your stop loss and your take profit down. Okay, some people choose increments of 10 pips, some do 25, some do 50. That is going to depend on which time frame chart you're using. It's going to depend on the size of your account. It's going to depend on a few different factors, okay? But trail stopping is really going to get you the maximum pip potential. If you would have gotten in here when this initial cross occurred, okay, you could have gained your 25 pips, but if you stopped and were done, look at how many pips you missed out on. Okay, so just, you know, think about that and really start to practice using trail stops and gaining that maximum pip potential. That's really all there is to it. The next thing that you'll want to do here is, let me zoom back out a little bit here. You're going to right click, you're going to go to Style, and you're going to go to Save Style. Okay, now I'm going to save this as Follow the Trend, okay, and you want to select Include Patterns and Study Set. Save. That's it. So now, anytime you bring up another chart, let's say you wanted to do the euro dollar, okay, well, let's say I'm bringing up a new chart, all right, for the first time. There we go. I don't already have those, you know, I don't already have that study set loaded. All you'd do is you would right click, you'd go to Style, you'd go to Load Style, and then you'd look for that one that you saved right there, Follow the Trend. And there you go. You're loaded. You're ready to go. Okay, so just some things to think about. Here's an example of a buy right here. See that 12 and 26 crossed right there? You bought, you set your stop loss below here, okay? Or you could set it at the 200 moving average if you wanted, but safest is to go to that previous high or low, okay? And then, see, you could have gained some decent pips. I wouldn't have taken this one because it's above that 200 moving average. Okay, I would have taken this one right here. Look at that cross to the downside, not the upside one. I'm talking about the downside one because you're below, price is below 200 and overall trend is showing down. But look at how much you could have gained here. Bam, beautiful. Okay, so you guys have a great one and I will talk to you later.